Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Garden Inn and Suites. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Meta, Garden Inn and Suites is 28 miles from Splash in the Boro. With free Wi-Fi, this 5-star hotel offers room service and a 24-hour front desk. All guest rooms in the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. All rooms at Garden Inn and Suites have air conditioning and a desk. The nearest airport is MidCoast Regional Airport, 57 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.